Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Fusion versus the Hyundai Elantra. We'll explore their key features, performance, and interior comfort to help you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle. We'll also touch on their safety aspects and overall reliability, giving you a comprehensive overview of both popular vehicles. When it comes to performance, the Fusion often provides more robust engine choices, including turbocharged options, while the Elantra typically focuses on efficiency. You might see the Elantra achieving around 33 to 37 miles per gallon combined, whereas the Fusion might be closer to 25 to 30 miles per gallon. Both deliver a comfortable driving experience. Inside, the Ford Fusion generally offers a more spacious cabin, especially for rear passengers, and a larger trunk. The Hyundai Elantra, however, often comes equipped with more contemporary infotainment systems and user-friendly technology. Both sedans comfortably seat 5 adults, making them practical choices for families or daily commutes. Consider your priorities for space versus tech. Regarding safety, both the Fusion and Elantra consistently earn high marks in crash tests. The Fusion often includes a wider array of advanced driver assist features, like adaptive cruise control. The Elantra frequently boasts a more extensive warranty, sometimes offering 10 years or 100,000 miles on its powertrain. Both are reliable, but warranty length can be a factor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.